Yo, welcome back, and this week we have got basically a video on what goes on in spray tech. It's not like any specific car in particular, but it is some nice cars and a quite bad repair on their vehicles. So stay tuned and obviously enjoy the video.
I went on the quote.
Yeah, look, it's pointy. Actually, go get a really little drill bit. I need this one. Oh. Come on, bastard. Go get me a 13 mil. Mine. Sorry. Hey. Oh, I thought you got it out. How am I doing? You like it?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
come on, she's just waking up now. Nah, it's done. Oh, wait, go. Come on! You don't fucking know, bro. Oh, the emotion. You don't go that. Oh, hey, coming down the box now. Oh, shit. Engine there, come on.
Fucking hell.
Oh, hey. When she gets going, man, just quick. Ah, power's gone again. Power's gone. Come on.
Downhill. So.
Come on, baby. Come on. Hear that? You ain't doing it, no, boss. No recovery truck goes this fast. You listen to the list to dump out. Hear that? Heavy, bro. So you always do is building up boost, building up boost, building up boost. Yeah? Get up to 3,000 revs, and then initially you're ready for the launch. Ready for the launch, yeah? Oh, no. Didn't do that, man. Fucking piece of shit. Ruin, embarrass me in front of YouTube. This is a YouTube video, you bastard.
Yo guys, so obviously that was the video. Let us know in the comments what you thought. Should the car have been repaired? Should we put a new quarter in or whatever? Do you know what I mean? Let us know what you think of the other cars. Also wanted to say, let us know if there's anything you want to see of Joe Spray Tech, anything you can think of that you might want to see us do, anything at all. Literally DM us, anything, literally just get in contact and let us know. So obviously we can give you more content that you're going to want to see. So yeah, thank you for watching. As always guys, much love.